started from this unit. This is a 2006 Rheem 3-ton Central Air conditioner at my brother's house. That's hot right there. That's cold and sweaty. It has R22, it's from 2006 and the 3-ton. This is one of my favorite style units. I'm actually going to be honest with you guys. As soon as I'm done filming, I'm going to take pictures of these two units because the backyard unit is actually off right now, so I'm going to start it up. It has a ProTech fan motor. And then there's the dog right here. It just woke up as soon as it turned on. Actually, that's what my brother said to me. This is Nero, the black lab. It's a really nice dog, so yeah. The Rheem Classic series logo used to be right there before, so it's running in heat mode because actually in cooling mode because like it cools down the house, even the backyard unit, for example. So the backyard unit is a 3.5-ton. This is a 3-ton unit. Both of them from 2006. So yeah. This is a thermostat for the 3.5-ton backyard, and the thermostat all the way over here is for the 3-ton. There's an air handler inside. So, alright, here's the 2006 3.5-ton Rheem Classic series. I didn't even know it was on at first. So it's running in cooling mode. These are really nice units for a Rheem Classic. And this one has a nice sound, but it's actually noisy, but it has a nice sound. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It's a 3.5-ton from 2006. It has R22. So that's cold and sweaty, and this is outlet temperature. It has a nice sounding off from the compressor. You know what? Oh, shut off. Well, I think I'm gonna get the starting up next time, I guess. So, as you can tell, it has a Emerson fan motor. The other one has a ProTech. So, well, you know what? I actually caught this one starting up back in January 1, 2018. So, that was the first day of January. Since it was the New Year's, and the 3-ton is all the way back here running. So yep, like I already filmed this one. The dog used to be the indoor pet. Now it's the outdoor pet, but it's a really nice dog. I don't know how old is he, but yep. This is Nettle, the black lab. Oh, what's the matter, buddy? Oh god. My brother scared the crap out of me from the window. Okay. So, yeah. So, two 2006 3-ton and 3.5-ton Rheem straight cool units. Both of them are running in cooling mode. They both cool down the house. They both are doing great. And yeah, I guess, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.